So we've got Knob Creek Blenders Edition going up against Knob Creek number 9. The new kid on the block versus the veteran from 92. The question is, can this hold up to this? Let's find out. On the nose for the Blenders Edition. It's nice, it's sweet. Almost no ethanol on it. I'm getting caramel. Let's go in for the taste. So, peanut comes out immediately. Medium finish. Get a little bit of the caramel on it. All right, so good mouthfeel. Get that classic Jim Beam peanut as well as the traditional Knob Creek flavors. A little earthy, but it's not overpowering. All right, going to the number 9 for the nose. Ethanol is a little stronger on it. A little bit of vanilla. Going in for the taste. It's got a little more bite than the blenders did. Still smooth though. Finish doesn't last as long. Short finish. Get the peanut on the backside where it really comes through strong up front on the Blenders Edition. So, it's hard. It's really hard. They are that close to one another. So, Blenders Edition is a more rounded and refined version of what the Knob Creek number 9 is. This one does not drink like it's 106. It's smoother and easier to drink than the classic number 9 actually is. And I like that. You know, for a $27 bottle going up against an almost $60 bottle, it holds its own. It is that good. But I'm going to give it to the Blenders Edition. I mean, it does not drink its proof. It's more refined. It's smoother. I actually like that peanut taste coming out up front. Knob Creek number 9, still a very solid choice. You can't go wrong with it. You really can't. But if you're looking for the step up, I think you got to give it to the Blenders Edition.